Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on Black Shark Pad SE. So first of all, we're gonna have to swipe down the control center, and the easiest way to enable or disable the Do Not Disturb mode is finding it in our control center right here. Usually we would have it pre-added. So here we have this modes, no active modes, and if we tap right here, we'll be able to either enable Do Not Disturb mode or bedtime manually. And to adjust your Do Not Disturb mode, you're gonna have to basically hold your finger down on this icon. This will redirect you to your modes. Now here we can either select our own focus mode, we can go to Do Not Disturb and schedule it and adjust its functionality, so we can select people that can interrupt us, apps that can interrupt us, and also alarms and other interruptions that are allowed. We can change the display settings, and we can set the duration for quick settings. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.